today. Wohlford Lake in Southern California, in Escondido, and hoping to catch some fish. Although our track record so far, not so great. Alright, so it's me and Pops here, and we're just bobbing around on a boat. This will be the first time on a boat, and we've never gotten one of these boats. This will be the first time on one of these little John boats. We used to fish off of those belly boats with pontoons. Those are a lot of fun. Now, middle of California, like in Sequoia National Forest, I went up there before. I think I'm gonna try to post a video of when we went up there. Me and my girlfriend went backpacking, and we did great up there. So it's not that I'm a terrible fisherman, as much as it seems like I might be. But we're using worms right now, and worms almost always catches fish. And we are catching nothing, not squat, zilch. Nothing. When is it gonna just... I want to catch something. I'm sick of catching nothing, man. I want to pull in a big one. Where'd my bobber go? Did it get taken? Please tell me it got taken. Nope, it's right there. Well, it's about 1:15 now. We got here at like 6:30, and I got my stuff out here. I don't know if you can see that on there. Over there. Yep. I think that's mine. And that bobber with a worm on it has not bobbed once.
Austin's got a fish. He's got his pole bent.
He's got a big one.
He's got something good there. He's fighting it. Oh, there's the bobber. Oh, look at that. Nice catfish.
Yeah.
Nice catfish.
Ooh, caught him right in the mouth.
That's why it was such a good bite. Look at that. Beautiful catfish. This one's John. That's a good size.
There we go. Finally. One fish caught in the last 6 hours, but it's a good one though. Alright.
That's the best one we've had. Absolutely all time.
That's the big up since we're always catch and release. So sometimes when the old bull runs out of steam, you gotta lean on the old calf. Or the young calf. To do all the dirty work. You know what I'm saying?
The old bull is out of steam.
Old bull out of steam. His back hurts.
There's the old bull.
Old bull retired.
The new bull.
This is bull in training right here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the one fish that I caught on video, and see you next time.